Okay, it's a quick tutorial no, for architectural quantity takeoff calculator. Currently, ang ginagamit ko dito ngayon is tablet. Actually, pwede rin to sa iba't ibang mobile device, cellphone, tablet, or laptop. Ang purpose ng architectural quantity takeoff is para mapabilis yung pag-estimate ng mga materials on site, especially commonly ginagamit ng mga site engineer or quantity surveyor on site. Okay, sige, i-test natin. Subukan natin tong masonry works, no? I-click natin to, masonry works. Then, specify natin yung wall length. Sabihin natin, meron tayong 10 meters wall length, and then height is, sabihin natin 3 meters. Then, thickness, sabihin natin point 15. Yan. CHB type is CHB is 4 inches, 6 or 8. Anyway, dun tayo sa 4 inches muna. 4 inches CHB. Then, sa plaster thickness naman, standard tayo, 10 mm. And then, deduction, ito yung mga open area, open space. Pwede tayo maglagay dyan para, sige, papalagay natin 5 square meter for the deduction, especially sa mga window opening. Then, click natin calculate. Then, ito na yung result. Volume of wall, actually nakalagay na rin dito. Number of CHB, ito pinaka-important, 344 pieces of CHB. And then mortar, cement sand, nandyan, grout and filler, nandyan. Then plastering is also nandito rin. And then kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng kopya, click nyo lang itong download PDF. Ayan, download PDF. Click nyo lang yan. And then, yan, download natin again. Then mapupunta yan sa pinaka-download files. Sa downloads. Ayan, ito. Ayan, dito na agad. Naka-PDF na agad to. Yung result niya is pwede nyo i-forward sa inyong construction manager or QS head. Ayan, so on and so forth. For your review. And then, balik ulit tayo. Ayan. Then, subukan naman natin yung ibang items, no? Bukod sa masonry, dito naman tayo sa tiling works. Sa tiling, merong default value na dito, no? Pero sabihin natin sa area, tiles, pagpalagyan natin 50, area for the length is 50 meters. Then area for the width, bali 50 meters ulit. Siguro mag-rate 50. Bali parang numalas 50 by 50. Then tile length is 60 cm. Adjustable naman to. Pwede itong baguhin. 30 cm or 60 cm. Then yung tile width, yung width. Ayan. Then tile width and tile length is nakalagay din dito. Tile thickness, standard 10 mm, pero adjustable din naman yan. Joint widths, ganun din. Yung wastage, assumption lang tayo is 10% wastage. Deduction, optional. Pwede maglagay, hindi. Sa ngayon, huwag mo na ako maglagay. And click natin calculate, and then, ayun na. Once kinig natin download PDF, automatic agad makita agad natin yung pinaka-total quantity. As a result, area details, total area to field, 2,500 square meter. Tiles required for the 0.6 by 0.6 or 60 by 60 centimeter tiles. Ayan, 7,639 pieces. And then, number of boxes, nandito na rin, 764 boxes. Other items, consumables, tile adhesive, nandito rin, then grout needed. Tile spacers is also included. Ayun. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo yung sample, no, paano ito i-gagamitin. Then, check din natin yung iba. Meron ditong painting works. Painting works, wall length, sabihin natin 30 meters, wall height is 3 meters. Number of paint coats, 2. Paint coverage, alang to, ito yung mga standard na nakalagay. Nilagay ko na as default value. Then deductions for the opening. For example, sabihin natin meron kang 10 square meter for the deductions. Then click natin calculate. Then ayun agad, total wall area. Then paint needed, 15 liters, primer is 7 liters. Other consumables like sandpaper, wall putty, brushes is nandito na rin. Ayun sa painting. Check natin yung iba. Dito naman, drywall partition. Click natin yan, drywall. Either FISM board or gypsum board na makapal. Yan, drywall partition. Wall length, sabihin natin meron kang 10 meters. Then height is 3 meters. Board width, board height, 1.2 by 2.4, standard naman yan. Then, stud spacing, layers per side, wastage, nandito rin. Opening, optional. Paglagay lang ako dito na 5 square meter. Then, click natin calculate. Then, ayun na, pinaka-total wall area niya for the drywall partition, nandito rin. Drywall boards, kung ano mang boards ang gagamitin nyo, nandito rin. Number of sheets, studs and tracks, metal tracks, nandito rin. Screws is also included. then jointing compound, jointing tape, insulation, which is optional. Ayun, if you click the download PDF, ganun pa rin kalalabasan niya, makakuha ka ng result. Then, testing naman natin yung ibang items. Ceiling works naman tayo. Sa ceiling works, naglagay ako ng dalawa since ito yung most common, yung acoustic na ginagamit sa offices and then gypsum board for the residential. Then, for the ceiling works, room length, nagpalagay natin meron kang 10 meters by room width, sabihin natin mga 6 meters. T-runner, T-length, nandito rin. Panel size, 0.6, standard naman yung wall angle, ganda na, standard din yan. Wastage 5%, pero pwede nyung taasan, pwede nyung bawasan. I-click natin calculate. Then, makakuha mo na agad dito yung mga items. Main piece, cross piece, wall angle, nandito rin. And then, yung mga accessories, gaya ng ceiling panel, suspended hangers, and connecting clips. Nandito na rin. Punta naman tayo, click naman natin yung gypsum board ceiling, click din natin yan. Room length, sabihin natin 6 meters, room width by 6, bali 6 by 6, main runner, cross faring, mga faring. Then, standard board thickness 9, pero kung halimbawa moisture resistant or mas makapal, adjustable ang gawin 12. And then, click natin calculate, and then ito na agad. Andito yung mga faring na gagamitin ninyo. Faring and clips and gypsum boards, screws also included. Bali, ayan, no? Actually, pwede ko rin, during update, pwede pa magdagdag ng ibang items yan. Pero sa akin, ito na muna. Automatic naman yan, since browser naman to. Since link URL naman itong nasa taas, automatic update naman yung mas nag-adjust ako ng bagong items para sa architectural. Ayun, bali, bukod pa sa architectural, meron din ako structural, no? Doon yun sa isa kong tutorial. Doon ko tinuturo yun. Then, meron din ako mga BOQ generator para mabilis paggawa ng proposal, pang-present sa client is nandun din, auto-generated. Bali, ay lang po, no? Mga architects, engineers, magagamit ito, especially if nasa site ka na. Lalo na kung nagmamadali ka o nagmamadali ang purchasing ninyo para dun sa take-off. Same time, yung mga additional works is madali lang ma-identify. Mali ay lang po, no? I-close ko na itong recording. Salamat.